edit this template, do some minor modifications to this, and you can customize it as per your requirements. Or else you can go back and so we are going to edit this one. We are going to start everything from scratch. So let us select edit button, and it gives me a screen, welcome, how do you plan to use this bot? So we have three options in front of us. One is the widget, which will give us a bot on our website over here, just like in the preview. Or else you can create a landing page link as well, and when someone clicks on the link, they'll find a chatbot interacting with them. Or else you can embed a chatbot in your content as well. So this is how it will appear. So if you want to implement or embed a chatbot on your website, I suggest you go for widget option. It says install a chatbot in your web pages. So select widget and hit the start creating button. So once you do that, you will find three options. Can you see? Step number one is preview, step number two is the script, and step number three is publish. On the left hand side, you will find you can select the position of the bot. So right now we have selected the bottom left corner, and hence the chatbot will appear somewhat like this in this position on your website. If you select the middle option, it appears over here, and if you select the bottom left corner, it appears over here, right? So you have bottom right, middle of the screen, and bottom left. Welcome message. So first let me just select bottom right, and currently I can see it says chat now, and this is chat now. So you can edit the chat now button, and you can customize it as hello. How may I help you? Right? You can choose your avatar. Let me just go ahead and select any one of these. So I'll choose this one, suppose. You can choose the theme as well. So let me go ahead and choose this as my theme. And what else? So it says modern over here, there's a button. What happens if I select this? Okay, classic. So this is the classic view, and this is the modern view with the avatar. And in addition to this, you can go to the script part, and this is where you actually design the conversation. It says hello over here, what are you looking for, and then thank you. If you want a quick preview of what you have done over here, simply go to preview option, open the preview by clicking on the chatbot. What are you looking for? It's as simple. Simply close this, go back to script, and you can start customizing your own messages. So it says hello, and you can add images, you can edit the text, you can add your own text. How may I help you? You can add images and videos from this section. Hit the done button to save it. Then it says what are you looking for, and look at the symbols, this matches with this, right? So this is a multi choice option. And so there are various options available on the left hand side. You have message, multi-choice, text, question, email, phone numbers. And if you don't know what these are, don't worry, because see, these are called as scripts. And can you see learn about script types? So if you want to know what these are and how you can utilize them, simply hit the learn about script type link, and it will take you to a new tab. And these are the various scripts that are available, right? Can you see message type, multi-choice, text, email, message, multi-choice, text, email, all these are explained over here. And if you want to know what message type is, or multi-choices, or even text is, simply click any option. Say I click the text question type option, and this is what it gives you. So when you add this option, the text question option, You can put in your text like this. Okay, and this is what the output would be like. It will ask you your name, and one can simply type his own name. Okay, so it's as simple. So that is what a text question does. Let's see what a multiple choice question does. So you can scroll down, select multiple choice type, and this is what it does for you. So you can add options over here, multiple choice, option 1 and option 2. You can hit the plus button to add more options, or minus button to delete the options. So you have option 1, option 2 over here, and the output would be something like this. Can you see over here? Select an option, option 1 and option 2. This is what you have chosen, and you will get the rest of the replies. Okay, so it's very simple. And let us go back to our chatbot, and how may I help you? What are you looking for? Let me just edit the existing question. What are you looking for? So can you see edit option over here? Let's select edit option. What are you looking for? Or I might ask him, which course are you interested in? And assume we have 3 courses. So we have basic digital marketing course. Assume that I'll add a plus, I'll select the plus sign to add more options. I have advanced digital marketing course. To add more options, you can hit the plus button and you'll find the third option. I can add basic plus advanced digital marketing course. Okay, now below the options, if you want to give the back button or the skip button to the individual so that he can navigate, or he can go to the previous question, or if he can skip the question, then you can just enable these. And I've added my options. I'll hit the done button, and then this will be the user's reply, because he'll select any one of these options. So if you want to add more fields, you can simply drag and drop these options, drag and drop over here. And what is your email address? And this is where the individual enters his email address. I want his phone number as well. So can you see phone number? Drag and drop, and that is how you can start capturing leads through your chatbot. So this is his phone number, and if you want to know his name, you can simply add a text question as well. And what else do we have? You can give him multi select option as well. So in multiple choice he can choose only one, whereas in multi select he can choose multiple options. You can also give him the option of range. So if you ask him what is your budget like, and he can choose between an X amount and between a Y amount. So you can give him a range option. You can also ask him for a rating, and you can also ask for a date. So let's say I'll drag it over here, and before that I'll add a text question. So I can drag the date over here, and I'll edit the date field, and I can write something like, when can you visit the nearest branch, right? And do you want to show past dates? I don't want to show past dates, only show the future dates. And hit the save button or done button, and let's see what the form looks like, what the chatbot looks like. So I'll go to preview, and We'll select the bot, and this is how it will appear to people. Hello, how may I help you? Which course are you interested in? Right? So it can be basic, advanced, digital marketing. Okay, what is your email address? You put in your email address over here. It will ask you for your phone number. Please type your phone number. So I can put in my phone number over here. When can you visit the nearest branch? Please pick a date, and I can simply select this. I don't have any previous dates. Can you see? I have only the current date and the future dates. So I can choose this, probably Sunday 9th, and I can hit the confirm button, and it says thank you. So if you want, you can add more text like thank you, your appointment is confirmed, and our executive will get in touch with you soon, our expert will get in touch with you soon. Now it's time to integrate this chatbot on our website. So how do we do it? First of all, you'll have to go to the third step, which says publish, and when you go to publish, I want you to hit the first option, add to website, and you can copy this entire code and you can give it to your developer to integrate it on all the pages of your website or on specific pages. But if you're using a WordPress website, you can either use this code and paste it in the theme header file, or else you can add or use a widget or a plugin as well. So it says add to WordPress website, so in that case I'll select this option, and they have given instructions like go to the settings, Collect.chat in WP admin and copy the code snippet. So the entire process is mentioned over here. It says go to the plugin directory first. You need to install the plugin, which is Collect.chat. So let me just copy this part, Collect.chat, and this is the backend of my website. And what I want you to do is you will go to plugins and you will select the add new plugin. On the top right hand side, you will see a search plugin option. Simply click and paste your plugin, name of the plugin. Once you do that and hit the search button, you will find Collect.chat plugin by Collect.chat, the official website. So simply hit the install now button. Once you install the plugin, you have to hit the activate button. So it says activate now. Once the plugin is activated, it usually creates a section on the left hand side, but some plugins create a section in the settings area. So can you see settings? In settings, you will find collect.chat. Simply go to collect.chat and it says chatbot snippet. So you go back to the previous tab, collect.chat, copy the entire code from here and simply paste it in this box and hit the save settings option. But before that, it is asking you show about chatbot on all the pages. Do you want the chatbot to be visible on all the pages or only on specific pages like the home page or any other page except the home page, right? So you can select all pages if you want to show it on all the pages and select the save settings button. Once you do that, you will find, you will go to the front end of the website. This is the front end of the website and you should be able to see the chatbot on the bottom right. Can you see? It says how may I help you. When someone clicks on this, you will find the replies from the bot, and based on your selection you will get the further messages. I'll enter the email address, I'll enter the phone number as well. When can you visit the nearest branch? Pick a date and select the date, confirm. It will say thank you. Okay, so That's it. That is how you integrate a chatbot on your website. Now, please note a few things that in the pro version or in the upgraded version, this won't be visible. The branding of Collect.chat won't be visible because we are using the free version. The logo and the brand name of chatbot of Collect.chat is visible. Okay, so if you want to remove it, then you will have to upgrade to a pro version. And if you want to add a feature where whenever someone enters the phone number, he should get an OTP to verify the number, so in that case you will have to upgrade to a pro version.